Novel and exciting development in the field of prostate cancer treatments are offering viable substitutes to conventional techniques which oftentimes carry bothersome side effects. Treatment options for prostate cancer. Latest treatment for prostate cancer. Androgens are basically hormones which encourage formation as well as sustenance of masculine sexual characteristics. But when cancer develops in the tissues of prostate, then these androgens could aid in fueling malignant growth. Manufacture of androgens is chiefly known to occur in the testicles as well as suprarenal glands. In males having prostate cancer, the malignant tissues itself is a supplementary androgen provider. Number 8. Newfangled androgen targeted treatment. According to a latest evaluation in the Official Journal of British Association of Urological Surgeons (BJU International), novel classes of androgen-targeting medicines can spell doom for prostate cancer cell SANs, causing the frequently associated nasty side effects. An investigating team from Colorado NCI Comprehensive Cancer Center came to realization that manufacture of androgens such as testosterone is reliant on an integral system, wherein brain recognition of hormonal level leads to signaling of pea-sized hypophysis to boost or lessen manufacture. The endocrine gland then roses the testicle which follows suit. They further noticed that when androgens manufacture was targeted via the testicles, then they were able to rupture the integral system at several locations. Number 7. Anti-androgens. It is generally observed that patients develop end-stage prostate cancer. In the initial stage, carcinoma is hormone sensitive or HSPC. However, eventually it morphs into hormone refractory prostate cancer. Therapy for such form of prostate cancer was lacking until the recent past. Presently, such patients can avail therapy involving 5 diverse medicines such as chemo drugs. Number 1 Novantron, number 2 Jeftana, number 3 docetaxel. Advanced staging cancer vaccine therapy, sipuleucel T, and hormone therapy, which is abiraterone acetate, Zytiga CB7630. Anti-androgens such as enzalutamide work by targeting the cell's capability of entrapping testosterone which is present within our bodies. The androgen receptor inhibitor is presently in the 3rd stage of scientific trials. Irrespective of the amount of testosterone afloat, the drug and several anti-androgens are simpler to seize as compared to the androgens. Hence, bodily cells grasp the drug and then incapable of grabbing the male sex hormone. This leads to an instantaneous plummet in testosterone. Enzalutamide drug was used in a randomized controlled trial spanning multiple centers in different nations and involved over 1,199 participants. The enzalutamide group was found to tolerate the drug favorably with least side effects. They also had a better quality of existence and prolonged lifespan, which is 5 months as compared to the placebo group. The lengthened span of existence was noteworthy since such populace with terminal illness often dies in a span of just 3 months. The drug had been found to work effectively for prostate cancer sufferers who have undergone chemotherapy in the past. Number 6. Androgen biosynthesis inhibitors. Foraying into the scene of prostate cancer therapy is another newfangled category of drugs dubbed as the androgen biosynthesis inhibitor. Number 5. Zytiga, abiraterone acetate. This is the foremost drug that has received the nod from United States Food and Drug Administration. An orally taken single-dose per-day medicine is used in conjunction with corticosteroid prednisone for treating male diagnosed with metastatic CRPC or metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. Abiraterone acetate has been found to be a potent and selective inhibitor of CYP17 enzyme complex that is necessary for androgen manufacture at every potential source like testicles, suprarenal glands, and also by the carcinoma itself. Number 4. Medicinal mushrooms. They are mushrooms which have been researched as likely potent therapies for myriad ailments. Studies suggest that several types of mushrooms have potential cancer-fighting properties. The duo stars in the horizon that have recently grabbed the limelight are Philanaeus linteus and Agaricus bisporus. Number 3. Philanaeus linteus extract. Extract of this mushroom variety has been found to sensitize cells with later staging prostate cancer to self-destruct or induce programmed cell death. PCD in murine forms and human sans triggering any considerable toxic side effects. Physicians from Korean-based prestigious Kangwon National University have conducted studies on the anti-neoplastic effects of mushroom extract. They have found the mushroom to be effective for cancer sufferers in activating immune system by maintaining health levels of white blood corpuscles, which tend to drop after chemotherapy. Moreover, it also assisted in lessening associated chemotherapy effects. Lab researches conducted by scientists in Howard Beck Israel Deaconess Hospital have deeply analyzed the precise mechanism of Philanaeus linteus interceded cell death. Mutant mice were inoculated with prostate cancer cells for evaluating the efficacy of this mushroom extract on the origin and development of such tumors. Following the injection, the murine group were then administered a jab containing Philanaeus linteus in 48 hours time interval for a period of 12 days. Though the mushroom extract therapy failed in preventing the development of inoculated tumor, but there was a dramatic attenuation in the rate of growth. Cell death was observed to occur once the caspase-3 protein present in the tumor got activated. The trial outcome indicates that the mushroom extracts were capable of assuaging cancerous growth and also causing tumor degeneration by cell death induction. Reputed surgeon I. Morishige, who is part of Linus Pauling Institute of Science and Medicine, has been actively involved in studying Philanaeus linteus for controlling cancer. He believes that taking vitamin C along with the mushroom extract enhances its accessibility to the immune system and yields superior outcomes that merely standalone Philanaeus linteus extract. Number 2. Agaricus bisporus. Extract of the edible white button mushrooms have phytonutrients which help in preventing and treating cancer. A trial was conducted by investigators from California's Beckman Research Institute for evaluating its effects as well as its key constituent, a ruminant fatty acid CLA, on cell cultures developed from a solo cell. Agaricus bisporus was observed to inhibit size and spread of tumor in a dosage-dependent way and brought about programmed cell death within 3 days of offering mushroom extract therapy to mutant mice. Number 1. African Pigeon. Extract from the bark of huge evergreen red stinkwood tree Prunus africana is presently being deployed in European countries and the United States for treating prostate enlargement. During a latest trial carried out by the scientists from the University of Mysore Biochemistry Research Center, ethanolic Pygium africanum extracts 30% were found to restrain growth of prostate tumor cells in rodent models than those given casein. Thus, it has been proven to done a crucial part in regulating prostate cancer in vivo as well as in vitro. Caution: please use home remedies after proper research and guidance. You accept that you are following any advice at your own risk and will properly research or consult healthcare professional.